Hi there, Michael. A while back, I asked a number of you via newsletter and video, how can I help you? And even then shared a video that people were sharing around about asking the question, how can I help to each other in these very difficult times? Hey, having just reached out to my network to discuss the value of saying, how can I help? Someone that I had asked that question of, a colleague of mine and great thinker, said to me, well, what else can you do? I know, Michael, that you're actually in the middle of writing a book on leadership capabilities for a digital age and for the kind of age we find ourselves in now. He said, how do those apply in a time of crisis? Because in looking at what you share with me, it seems like there's something that could be really useful to share there, which was flattering to hear. And I hope he's right, because if you know me, you know how highly I value useful. I think that's about as good as it gets. So what I'm going to be doing is over the next couple of weeks here, I'm going to be creating some videos, some tools, some posts and articles around those 6 capabilities that I've identified through work and research that are going into the book coming out early next year. But I'll be sharing them with you early, and I will be also sharing with you, more importantly, not just what they are, which some of them, won't be record-breaking news. There'll be things that you've heard before in different ways. But what I'm also going to try and share is, how do you make them real? How do you operationalize them today? How do you put them into practice? So if you're a leader, there's something you can do immediately. They're turnkey, they're simple, very easy to do. If you're in consulting, if you're an HR and OD leader, if you're trying to help other leaders, there are things that you can give to them. And if you're just a person who's living and working in this world today, they can be helpful to you too. So please keep an eye out for that. I'm entitling this Leading with Listening and Love in a Time of Crisis, and I hope it's useful to you. Please let me know. You can get me at my website, silverbackpartners.net, where you can also sign up for our occasional newsletter and mailings and get access to everything that we're doing behind the scenes with the book and other work that we're involved in. And you can also email me there directly, michael@silverbackpartners.net, or find me on LinkedIn, where I'm quite active, at MJ Leckie. I look forward to connecting with you more, and I look forward to helping in any way I can. Please let me know.